Welcome to our channel, your go-to spot for top outdoor and camping gear reviews. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a rugged adventure, we bring you the best tools, gadgets, and essentials to elevate your experience. Stick around as we explore smart, reliable products that every camper should know about. Product number 1, 15-piece camping cookware set by Odoland is a game changer. You get a 1.9-liter pot, a non-stick fry pan, a 0.8-liter kettle, 2 stainless steel cups with silicone grips, plates, full cutlery for 2, and a cleaning cloth, all packed into one compact, lightweight bag. Built from anodized aluminum, the pot, pan, and kettle are non-toxic, non-stick, and ultra-lightweight, perfect for cooking without hassle. And the stainless steel forks, knives, and spoons? Foldable and tough, ideal for any adventure. The entire kit weighs just 2.75 pounds and nests neatly into a 7.5-inch mesh carry bag, saving space in your pack. So if you're planning your next outdoor trip, this is the only cookware set you'll need. Product number 2, PowerLix Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or backpacking, this pad delivers unmatched comfort and support. Thanks to its hexagon air cell design and body mapping tech, it cushions every pressure point, no matter how you sleep. Side sleeper? Back sleeper? You're covered. It inflates in under a minute with the included inflation bag. Just 8 to 10 pumps and you're good to go. It's ultralight, compact, and won't weigh you down on the trail. Made with tough, outdoor-grade materials and thermal insulation, this pad is 100% waterproof, warm, and ready for any terrain. You'll also get a carry bag, 2 repair kits, and a multi-use inflation sack that doubles as a pillow or waterproof laundry bag. Product number 3. Alpswolf Portable Shower brings the convenience of home to the outdoors. With a built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this camping shower runs for up to 120 minutes, enough to clean up 3 to 4 people on a single charge. It features a smart digital display that shows real-time battery life and water temperature, with color indicators for cold, warm, and hot water. Just a heads up, it displays temperature but doesn't heat water. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it's perfect for camping, hiking, beach days, even pet cleaning and car washing. The clever bottom suction design keeps the pump securely in place inside your bucket, and it's easy to clean. Plus, with 6 shower modes and a 3-in-1 hook with suction cups, you can hang it almost anywhere, indoors or out. Product number 4, AI Rechargeable Hand Warmers by Unihand. A powerful 2-in-1 set with 360-degree heat and up to 20 hours of warmth. Equipped with an AI smart chip, it adjusts heat levels in real time based on your hand temperature. Choose from 3 heat settings with max temps up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Each unit packs a 6,000 mAh battery and comes with a Type-C fast charger, ideal for camping, skiing, golfing, or just braving the cold. Crafted with a supercar-inspired design, these hand warmers fit perfectly in your palm and won't slip. Plus, they're CE and FCC certified for safety. Need a cozy holiday gift? This one's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or outdoor lovers. Super bright, dimmable, and built for any adventure. With 4 light modes and IPX4 water resistance, it's perfect for camping, emergencies, or power outages. Runs up to 12 hours on D batteries, and with hooks and handles, you can hang it anywhere. Product number 6, Smart Devil Portable Camping Fan. Compact, powerful, and loaded with features. With 3 fan speeds and 2 LED brightness modes, it cools and lights your tent, camper, or picnic spot with ease. 180-degree rotation means airflow exactly where you want it, and with a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs up to 11.5 hours on a single charge. It even doubles as a power bank to charge your phone on the go. Hang it with the built-in hook or add a few drops of essential oil to the aroma diffuser pad for a relaxing breeze. Product number 7. Flex Tail Gear. Tiny pump, ultra portable, insanely powerful, and built for outdoor convenience. Smaller than an egg and weighing just 2.8 ounces, this mini air pump fits in your pocket or clips to your backpack. With 3.5 kilopascals pressure and 180 liters per minute airflow, it inflates mattresses, pool floats,
and even helps deflate storage bags fast. The 1300 milliamp hour battery gives you up to 15 minutes of continuous use and recharges via USB-C from your laptop, car, or power bank. Comes with 5 nozzles for all your inflatables, and it even helps stoke campfires with its airblow feature. Don't let the size fool you. This pump packs serious power.
Product number 8. Looping's 2-in-1 Camping Lantern, your ultimate companion for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, this lantern charges for free in the sun. No outlets? No problem. 6,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery gives you up to 80 hours of light and can also charge your phone through the built-in USB port. Need a quick charge? Just plug it in. It's fully powered in 3 hours using the included USB cable. With adjustable brightness from 60 to 280 lumens, it lights up to 300 square feet. Use it for reading, camping, hiking, or during power outages. Rainy weather? No worries. The IPX4 waterproof rating means it stands up to the elements. Product number 9. Guriitas 17 in 1 multi-tool knife, your all-in-one solution for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, and everyday utility, packed with 17 essential tools, including a knife, saw, rope cutter, screwdrivers, fire starter, bottle opener, whistle, window breaker, and more. It's everything you need, right in your pocket. Yes, it includes a fire-starting stick ideal for camping or survival situations when you need to spark a flame quickly. Made from 420 stainless steel, this multi-tool is engineered for durability and corrosion resistance, perfect for heavy-duty tasks like sawing wood or breaking glass. The non-slip cushioned handle provides a secure grip, and the one-hand operation lets you access tools easily, even in tough conditions. Lightweight and compact at just 280 grams, it fits comfortably in your hand or pack. Whether you're hiking, fishing, camping, or handling daily fixes, this tool is built to keep up. And it's not just practical, it makes a perfect gift for dads, adventurers, or handymen. Product number 10. 2-pack detachable camping utensils. Cutlery set is the perfect companion for outdoor meals and everyday convenience. Each set includes a 4-in-1 multifunctional design featuring a knife, fork, spoon, and bottle opener, all made from durable stainless steel with a sturdy aluminum handle. These foldable utensils expand to full size for comfortable eating and fold down into a compact, pocket-sized form for easy storage. Whether you're camping, hiking, traveling, or simply packing lunch for the office, this portable and reusable utensil set fits neatly into your bag, lunchbox, or backpack. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, it offers a sustainable alternative to single-use plastics. Product number 11, 6-piece Kitchen Unique Gadget Set, is a smart, space-saving solution for anyone who loves practical and stylish cooking tools. The set includes a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter wheel, bottle opener, vegetable and fruit peeler, and an herb stripper. Everything you need for efficient food prep in one compact collection. Designed with a stackable system, the tools neatly fit together in any order, making them easy to store or pack without losing pieces. Crafted with high-quality 430 stainless steel blades and durable ABS plastic handles, each tool ensures smooth operation, comfortable grip, and long-lasting use. They're also dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this multifunctional gadget set is a must-have for modern kitchens and makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or holidays. Product number 12. Fire Maple Fix Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System is a compact, efficient, and reliable outdoor cooking solution designed for adventurers. Using advanced heat exchange technology, it significantly reduces boil time by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves, making meal prep faster and more efficient in the wild. Weighing just 18 ounces, all components, stove, bowl, and fuel canister, fit neatly into the 1-liter cooking pot for easy transport. Note that the fuel canister is not included and the system is not compatible with Coleman canisters. Featuring an integrated design and a built-in piezoelectric igniter, it allows instant ignition and hassle-free setup. The hard anodized aluminum pot, stainless steel locking handle, and neoprene insulation ensure safety, durability, and years of dependable use.
For optimal performance, especially in windy conditions, a windscreen is recommended. Product number 13. The JetBoil Zip Camping Stove. Cooking system is a compact, efficient solution for boiling water quickly and easily in the great outdoors. Powered by advanced flux ring technology, this stove boils water in just over 2 minutes, while using only half the fuel of traditional systems, making it ideal for backpacking and adventure travel. Its 0.8-liter flux ring cooking cup is wrapped in an insulating cozy to help keep water warm longer, and the bottom cover cleverly doubles as a measuring cup and bowl to save valuable pack space. Lightweight at just 12 ounces, the system.
Product number 14. The DB Power Peak 2000A 18,000 milliamp hour. Portable car jump starter is a powerful yet compact device capable of jump-starting vehicles with up to 7.2-liter gas or 5.5-liter diesel engines up to 30 times on a single charge. Delivering 2,000 peak amps through heavy-duty clamps, it's small enough to fit in your glove box for easy storage. Equipped with a smart USB charging port, it can also quickly recharge your smartphone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices. Built-in safety features include overcurrent, short circuit, overload, overvoltage, and overcharge protection. The unit features a clear LCD screen that shows remaining battery life, an LED flashlight for emergencies, and even a compass to guide you when outdoors. Trusted by over 10 million users worldwide, DB Power backs this multi-use device with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Product number 15. The Gas One. Portable butane camping stove is a high-performance outdoor cooking solution designed with convenience and safety in mind. Delivering 7,650 British thermal units of powerful heat output, it boils water quickly and efficiently using an 8-ounce butane canister, sold separately, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options on the market. It features an automatic piezo ignition system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters, and includes a built-in safety shutoff system for added peace of mind. CSA approved for both US and Canadian standards. This stove is equipped with a fuel cartridge injection safety mechanism that ejects the canister if abnormal pressure is detected. Its compact design and included carrying case make it ideal for camping, tailgating, and emergency kits. Whether you're cooking in the wilderness or preparing for a power outage at home, this stove offers quiet, clean, and reliable performance for all your outdoor cooking needs.